quickly just demonstrate some wrong body shapes and attitudes during university presentations. We've looked at in my previous videos why presentations are really important in a university. Now let's look at some awkward position and body movement. Let's look at this. This does not show professionalism, it does not show seriousness, it does not show that you really value your audience, and it casualizes everything. Let's look at another position, like this. Yeah, this does not give you the energy to really take charge of the room. Then when you want to make use of your hand gestures, it will take you a while to bring it out to speak. So the solution is, rather than take your hands to the back, try and focus this way so that you can easily color your fingers, color your hands. You can see what I'm doing with my hands, right? Best scenario, you can do something like this once in a while, but let the hands really be active. Let the hands be active. Now another one would be the face. It is not professional for you to do this way. I don't know what you're staring at, the devil. You don't need to. You don't need to. So what do? Look at your audience. Not necessarily stare at their faces every time or focus on one of them. Look at their heads. Look at their heads. Look at them as a sea of heads. So you take a glimpse at probably one of them at different times, maybe for, let's say, 5 seconds. Don't necessarily pay too much attention to their facial expressions, because some of them may really not be encouraging. You may look at someone's face and the person is frowning and you think it's about you, then it dampens your confidence. Not really. So just look at them briefly, move on. That is to help you maintain what is known as effective eye contact. Now, if it's a presentation that requires you to also ensure that the people are listening, then you can easily find out those that are not listening to you. Then you can add cues, or can you please listen to me? Can we stop the noise? Depending on what's happening. But if it's just a formal presentation of 5 minutes where you are just there for the grades or for training purposes, I'll just say look at the sea of heads to maintain eye contact. There's something else I really want to talk about quickly will be about you being confident, so that to avoid you being jittery. How will you feel if I was making this video and you could see me? Maybe I'm shaky. So to do that, you need to practice. I'm able to do this video because years of practice have been put into it, either in teaching or in learning how to present. So I'm really relaxed, I'm calm now. I'm really calm because I know that many people are going to watch this video, but I know that I'm doing the best I can. I may not do it to the best of the thinking of everyone, but I'm doing my best on this video. So same for you in your presentation. You are doing your best. You are the best. That's why you are doing it. There are so many people that would have craved for the opportunity. They haven't got it. So you're a special breed where you are. That should give you confidence, I think. You're a special breed where you are. You are doing the right thing and you are doing it very well. So be bold. Be bold. Just relax. Let every other thing melt away in your heart, and just know that this needs to be done for the next 5, 6, 10 minutes, depending on what it is. Even if it's for an interview. Let all the noise just melt away. Don't get jittery. If you do get jittery, because that's natural for most people learning how to present. If you do get jittery, don't let it be too obvious. So you can put your hands this way and fiddle them gradually. Then the more you use them, the way I taught you earlier, the less likely you're to shake. You remain really calm. Okay, thank you. I think one more tip. Now let's look at this. I'm presenting, I'm doing. So it looks like there's a song you are singing in your head and you're just so fast trying to do the presentation. No, that's wrong. Stay still, stand still, and probably just move a bit. Just make sure in your environment you are dominating, not necessarily pacing too much. You don't need all of that, because when you then need to change a slide or you then need to focus on something, you've exerted the energy running around. That's not how to present. See you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.